have only 4 of the side that played Arsenal in that semi-final last season. That's the keeper, Mike Stoll, defenders Dean Richards and Keith Curle, and the Welsh midfield player Carl Robinson. But this looks like a stronger Wolves side, with Simon Osborne, who missed that semi-final with suspension, playing in midfield. But the real danger man, the 14-goal teenager Robbie Keane. He plays up front with new signing Havard Flo, a £700,000 signing from the German club Werder Bremen, and Flo playing only his 2nd game for Wolves here. Arsenal have 2 problems. Martin Keown and Patrick Vieira are both suspended, so that gives a chance to 19-year-old Matthew Upson to play alongside his hero Tony Adams in central defence, while Frenchman Remy Gard continues to deputise for Vieira. Dennis Bergkamp missed last year's semi-final with injury. The bad news for Wolves, he's fit today. 10 yellows last season, 11 this. Oh, danger here, and Tony Adams saying that his jersey was being held as he went for that. Dean Richards, the other player involved. Well, Adams is so adept at stealing into this kind of position. Thala, good-looking ball in and into the net too, but the flag's up. Anelka put it in very stylishly too. But Wolves had stopped playing. Oof. Yeah, it was right, but it was right by about 2 inches, that offside decision. What a finish by Anelka. Everton seeing off Ipswich Town. Blackburn beating Sunderland with difficulty. Here's Robinson. That was a pretty decent chance for Robinson if he'd caught the volley right. Flo laying it back to Osborne. Now Overmars. There's danger every time you let him run with the ball. Parler's out to his right. Overmars goes alone and has scored! It's Mark Overmars. And with 10 minutes on the clock, the holders are ahead. Well, they paid the price, Wolves, for letting the Flying Dutchman run at them with the ball. Everybody backed off. They invited him to shoot. He said, OK, and that's 1-0. Winterburn to Anelka. And Emblem picks it up for Wolves. Young Robbie Keane to Gilks. Gilks using that pace to take on Dixon. That's a great ball in, and it hit the post. With Manninger beaten, that could have crept in on the back post. I'm not sure he meant it as a shot. In fact, I'm sure he didn't. But Arsenal got away with that. Great run by Michael Gilks. He really is very, very quick. Petit for Anelka. Whistle's gone. Offside. Up at Blackburn Rovers. Keane. Lovely close control and well balanced. Star for the Republic of Ireland too. Oh, there's the equaliser, and it's scored by Havard Flo. His first goal since moving from Werder Bremen. Mistake by Manninger, who came for that, didn't get it, and the big Norwegian did. Wolves are level after 35 minutes. Arsene Wenger with a troubled look on his face. And Manninger won't enjoy seeing this again, because he comes for the ball and Flo beats him to it. The Austrian goalkeeper had to win that, having got that far, but Flo gets up so well. Parler, who's getting pretty experienced himself these days. Seems an age ago he made his debut as a mere youth at Anfield. Muscat, an extremely combative player, that would be an understatement really. It's Bergkamp who's down. Oh, look at that. Oh, what happened to cause that? Dear oh dear. Bergkamp needs some treatment. He might need the dentist tomorrow as well. Well, let's have a look here. Oh, Muscat goes in there with a forearm smash. Now, if the referee'd seen that, I think he would have had Muscat off the pitch. Bergkamp on towards guard. Anelka. Oh, he brought it down so well. It would have been a splendid goal. Mike Stoll doing enough. Guard, that's a very, very astute ball. But this is a very decent performance by Wolverhampton Wanderers. They're making a real argument of it as Muscat plays this ball in. Flow, chance, oh, and off the post. Manninger with the punch. What a let-off for Arsenal. He nearly got a second then, Havard Flow. Well, this is turning into some tie. Remy Gard. Bergkamp. Has to be a free kick. It is. Flow is hurt from his earlier effort. Look at this again. Muscat playing it in. Flow gets right away and it bounces back, and the luck favoured the Gunners there. Remy Gard. Wide for Ray Parler. Still maybe something for Arsenal. Lee Dixon! Oh, and a vital clearance by Dean Richards as the ball ran free. Stoll had to make the save, but there was still danger. It's a good effort from Dixon. Guard again, Upson went up for it, couldn't reach it. Back in again, it deflected home! Bergkamp struck it. It took a deflection, and that was enough to take it past Mike Stoll, and Arsenal lead by 2-1 here with just over 20 minutes to go. Agony for him. Guard's corner. Wolves get it away. Bergkamp on the volley and deflected into the back of the net. Might have been off Richards. Here's Parler doing very, very well. He's got Anelka for support if he wants to use him. Overmars was wider still, but Atkins read it well. And then Emblem gave it away in a bad position. Petit to Anelka. And Bergkamp could have been 3 on another occasion on a hotter scoring streak. He may well have planted that in the back of the net. Dean Richards has gone forward again. What's going on here? Petit has been shown a red card. Now, I couldn't begin to explain what that was for. Let's have a look. It's the 7th red card of the season for Arsenal. Emmanuel Petit. Now, something clearly happened there in an altercation, way away from where the ball was. And Petit has got his marching orders. We've now played nearly 4.5 minutes of added time, never mind 3 minutes. That was clearly an approximate guide, that electronic signal we got. Have been substitutions since then, mind you, to be fair to the referee. Now he does blow. Arsenal move through to the 5th round, to the last 16, thanks to Dennis Bergkamp with a volley deflected home, giving them the winner in the second half. Wolves 1, Arsenal 2.